Okay, here we go again. I realized I always start my vlog with okay, let's go. Just like that little kid. Greetings to Yilmaz. Okay, let's go. Hamburger Schachtel. Ballungsklasse. Besser zu Hause bleiben. Oh, that was the Almöhi. Alright, so we're just, they're klettering. We just left the campgrounds I showed you last time. It was amazing. And riding through the Alps on a two-wheel machine is just the best there is. It's so beautiful. So, long story short, I'll show you some nice views. We're going to come to a tiny little part of Switzerland later on. And from there on, we're going to go down to Italy. It's a 4-hour drive to a campground at the Lago di Iseo. First of all, we're driving down with like 50, 60 kilometers up the hill. Vespa's kind of tired, but she'll get it done. She'll get it done. She's a good girl. She is the best. Okay, so let's stop at this gas station because Boo Boo wants to grab a newspaper. Yeah, the gas is expensive, but I don't care. It costs me like 10 euros for 250 kilometers. I think we're coming into Switzerland soon. We're having like, I don't know, like 50 miles or so through Switzerland, and then we're in Italy. And yeah, this is what I love about this area here. You have it like, it's like postcard scenery. Just beautiful. I mean, I tend to be a little redundant, but it's just awesome. And we're not even at the Riviera coast. Wait until we're at like the Mediterranean. Okay, so we're coming into Switzerland now, I think. This should be a old border. It looks like a border station. Yes, we are. No, we've been in Italy and we've been in Switzerland, and now we're in Bella Italia. Oh, ciao bello. Nice, fratello bello. I'm so happy. My Vespa has come back to its origin country. Okay. Now, La Dolce Vita has already started, but now it's going to be even nicer. I definitely going to have some pizza tonight. So greetings to my Italian friends, Alessio and Cece. I will kiss the grounds of your sacred home country. Yeah, I just stopped the recording, but I had to start it over again because this town is so nice. Resia, also called Reschenhof. That was a close one, but I got everything under control there because I have made a vow, a promise to my dear girl Kathy that I will never ever do something to hurt her or put her in danger, and I'm not gonna start now. Yeah, so look at that. I mean, what do you want more from life? No lo so. No lo so. Yeah, well, I can't take my eyes off that. I mean, look how you have like this turquoise water and the mountains become bluer and bluer. This is just like, I think that's so beautiful. I think I'm gonna wet myself, man. I think I already swallowed a couple of bugs because I'm just singing and smiling in total awe for this landscape. I'm not sure if this was like a tiny little part of Switzerland that we passed before, or if it was still a part of Austria. I don't know. So now we're in Switzerland, and I think we are for the next 50 miles or so. Nonetheless, the road is, I don't want to say beautiful again, so I'm just saying, magnificent! Yes, Kathy, you're right about that. The road is magnificent. We are doing another one of those passes over a mountain where poor little Vespi has to exhaust herself. We're doing easy 30. Yeah, but anyhow, those passes are really nice because it's like strolling through the woods. It's not even biking, it's walking. Easy walking. I could drink a beer while biking up here. Why didn't I bring a beer? Whoa. What a rock. Yeah, I don't get tired of showing you this awesome landscape. Just look at that. Okay, it's all downhill from here. We just found the nicest spot for a snack. We ate some bread, drank some water, and this is an amazing road. People seem to know that road a lot because there's so many bikers down here. But I mean, it's just, it's the most amazing road for biking. So, look, there's a waterfall here. I'm all jitters. Hello again, dear friends. We just had an espresso. God. Okay, I try that again. Hello friends, we just had an espresso. And we just made our second pass. Alfa Romeo, oh la la. Okay, and it's 1 and a something hours still left to the campground. We did the second mountain pass and we're on our way down. The street and the road was again very, very scenic. So this is a very nice Tyrol town. Looks very sweet. And they got some nice art here on the wall. It's really cool. Yeah, those bicycle riders, they're crazy, man. It's like 36 degrees and those guys are like going uphill. I mean, downhill was nice, but I wouldn't want to do uphill. Seen so much today. There was this guy, or this kind of group of guys with racing cycles, and they were doing like 80 kilometers. They were like passing me by. Crazy. This tunnel here looks like Toad's Turnpike in Mario Kart for N64. You guys remember that game? That's like the best part ever. If you played that long enough, you could throw away the controllers because those N64 joysticks, they went to shit. Welcome to Lago di Iseo, the little brother of Lago di Garda. We are very close to our campgrounds. Okay. Oh, this lake looks so nice. And you know how fucking crazy warm it is up here. It must be 40 degrees and more. I mean, Jesus, it's warm. Oh, guys, we made it. We made it. Arriva San Pedro. Oh, full? Oh no, please no. But for tent also, please no. Please, please. Very small tent, very small. Ciao, grazie. Okay guys, you heard it. Bad news. They don't even have a spot for a small tent left. Oh no! Oh no! They said right next to them. Camping Breda. Okay, let's try that. Right down there. I mean, we would have the pizzeria right there. So, let's see. Yes, so they got space. It's super sweet. So, vamos. Go. Allora, buongiorno. We had a warm but good night. Warm, so to say. I'd actually say hot, but we can go swimming anytime. This is what we're doing now. Then I'm gonna do some drone shots, and tonight I'm gonna cut this thing, and well, new vlog is online as well.